It's hot in there. Well, you can tell, but 460. Yeah. Here's that Wagyu inside skirt steak. Yeah. Got some sausages right here. So let's get it to cook. Alright, let's flip. Yeah, the sausage. Man, I'm ready to eat already. And I did use almost a full basket of lump B&B in the Oklahoma Joe's chimney starter. So, worked out pretty good. There it is. Let's close it up and keep on cooking. Now these Wagyu inside skirt steaks, they're done. So I'm gonna take them off, slice into it, and eat it. The best part, right? The cooking's fun and all, but it's the eating part that's the great part right there. And I did season it with Hardcore Carnivore Tex-Mex. I'm telling you, just the smell of it, it reminds me of being at home growing up little till I left the house. My mom's cooking. Man, it smells good. It smells good. So you know what I mean if you've been in that environment with the cooking. So it smells great. Ready to taste it. So let's get it off. It looks awesome, so delicious. I mean, that American style Wagyu inside skirt steak, juicy. Oh man, and the smell of that Hardcore Carnivore Tex-Mex, telling you what, man, it smells more and more like I'm telling you, like enchiladas, man. Oh man, it just smells so good. So I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna take a bite of it. Look at that, man. Wet all around. All right, here it goes. Oh yeah. Yep. That's what it tastes like. Just like my mom's cooking at home. Oh man. Oh yeah. It does. I mean, if you know what I'm talking about, then you know. And just the smell alone makes it smell like when I was back at home in the kitchen when my mom was cooking. Oh man. Just look at this. Like, look at it. Not dry at all. Man. Tell you what. Not dry. Look at that. But man, telling you what, that rub, the Tex-Mex rub of Hardcore Carnivore, that's legit right there. That is legit. Man, we gotta take another bite. Oh yeah. Jess wasn't playing around when she created this rub. Man. Tell you what, go out and get that rub. You'll enjoy it. If you like that Tex-Mex style cooking, you'll enjoy it a lot. And has a little kick to it at the end too that I like. Alright. Oh, it's time for me to grub on this. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. As always, folks, smoke on, everyone.